I want to tell you today that God does not see as man sees. God does not anoint somebody because they are rich. God does not anoint somebody because of their education. God does not anoint somebody because of how they look. God anoints somebody according to the posture of their heart and their surrender. When God sent Samuel to go to anoint David to be the next king of Israel, the Bible says to us that Samuel came to the house of Jesse. And it was at the house of Jesse that there was 7 sons. And as Samuel wanted to anoint one of these sons, he was looking at the outward appearance. But God said that man looks at the outward appearance, where I look at the heart. And that was where Samuel said, but there has to be somebody else. And that is where David came from the field, and God anointed David. And the Bible says the Spirit of God came on David from that day forward.